Hi there, this is Mrs. Piper, and we are getting ready to finish creating the slice of our Radial Design Composition. When we left off, we had drawn two lines, one organic with the curvy edges, and the next one was geometric with straight edges. Now we're going to read the next section. I want to make sure I zoom in so that you can see. Make it a little bit bigger. I think that's good. Okay. It says, draw two organic shapes. Make sure they go under or over one of the lines to create a sense of depth by overlapping. Then draw two geometric shapes, making sure they overlap or go behind the lines to create a sense of depth. And be sure to erase those lines thoroughly so that the ones that are not supposed to show do not. Okay? Now, again, two organic and two geometric. So if I want to do the organic one first, let me draw an organic line or an organic shape, which in other words has curvy edges. So I think I'm going to do maybe a cloudy shape right about here. Okay. Now, remember we have to erase the lines that do not belong. Again, be sure to erase thoroughly all lines that should not show. So if I want the cloud to look like it's overlapping the organic line, I would need to erase the organic line. If I want the cloud to look on top, I would have to, or if I want the organic line to look on top, I would have to erase the cloud. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the cloud go in front of the organic line, but behind this geometric line. So if it's going behind the geometric line, I have to erase the shape. But now, because it's in front of this organic line, so it's behind the geometric line, now it's going to be in front of the organic line. I'm going to erase the organic line. If the eraser on your pencil does not work, remember you should have an eraser in your supply pouch. So I now have an organic shape, but it said I needed two. So I put one in. Let me figure out where my second one should go. I'm thinking maybe down here, and maybe it should be kind of like, I don't know, one of those POW or WAP or BAM shapes. I like that. And I need to figure out which one's going to be on top. I think what I'm going to do is have the shape be on top of the organic and then under it here. Yeah. I might play around with that one, give it a little more curve, but that gives you the idea. So now it looks like this part of the organic line is in front of it, and it looks like this part of the organic line is behind it. But now we have to draw two geometric shapes. So we have to draw two shapes with straight edges. And I think I want a triangle, maybe right down here. I think I'm going to make it long. Let me see. You can use a ruler if you would like, but you don't have to. I'm going to draw my triangle pretty large. And I definitely want that triangle to be behind this geometric line. So I'm going to take my eraser. I'm going to erase that part of the triangle. good. Sorry if it shakes. The last one is a second geometric shape. I'm going to have to figure out where I want to put it. I definitely want to put it somewhere over here because that seems like an empty area. Maybe a thin rectangle. And maybe it should echo this edge. So maybe I want to go like that. Oh, maybe I'll bring it off. There's nothing that says I can't take it off the edge or the side of the triangle. I kind of like that. And then I'm going to erase this line so that it looks like this rectangle is going off the side and it's overlapping that geometric line. Let me make it shorter. The nice thing about working with pencils is that if you don't like something, you can change it. Just erase it. Yeah, I think I like that better. And then that, just erase the lines you don't need. Okay? So this has completed the section of this assignment where we are creating the slice. This slice is going to be used to create our radial design, and we can stop here for right now, and you can come back and watch the next video when your slice is ready. Thank you very much for watching.